Keep storage compartments secure. Perfect for new or replacement installations. 7/8 offset to cam mount from faceplate. Easy turn thumb operated style. Includes straight and offset cam. Camco 44323 and 7/8 thumb operated offset cam lock. Keep your storage compartments safe and secure with Camco's thumb operated cam lock. Ideal for new or replacement installations on RVs. Easy turn thumb operated style. 7/8 offset to cam mount from faceplate contains one offset and one straight cam. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. Used this to replace to locking gas door on a Toyota Tundra. Toyota wanted $125 for the lock cylinder. Made this work for $8.